Hello, my name is Lovas László. I'm working on the research of ELME Fitness, Fit in Mind system. It means an EEG-based biofeedback which can be used for scientific proof of the mind's work, how we shift consciousness. That is why I can explain you, for instance, if you are before a workshop and after a workshop, we can compare the results.
This is our first slide. It's very interesting. What we are looking at, this is the Fit in Mind system, and this is an EEG result. The first measurement is before the workshop, the second is after the workshop, and it's really amazing. That is the first part in the left and the second part in the right. What we can see is that after the workshop, the right hemisphere values are much more higher, because I see that before the workshop it was balanced, but some parts, the left brain dominance can be seen at some part of the exercise. I mean that the exercise what was a test with the EEG before the course, but after the workshop we can see that in this measurement the right hemisphere dominance is extremely high. I think that this is a kind of acceptance which is very important. We can see that at the first part of the exercise the left hemisphere was just a bit stronger, but it changed and turned into a right hemisphere domination. So it's wonderful. It's really worked. Let's see the second slide, which is a consciousness tree, and we can see a very characteristic diagram with these spheres, and the alpha, beta, theta values are very interesting. First of all, what we can see in this diagram is that the acceptance sphere of the consciousness, this blue sphere, is really very big, and because it's normalized to the mass of the people, to all of the people who ever try this method. It seems that we can say that it's more than 200% bigger than the average man. Even this green sphere, which is feeling, desires, instinctuality, is much bigger than the other ones, and it's over 150%. So it's really very nice. What is maybe the most important thing, that the center, which is the absolute clarity of consciousness and absolute inner focusing, is also above average. So this is a good starting point. And for those who are using, so generally using the left hemisphere as a tool, I can assure that even the control is working in some respect. But the dominance of the acceptance and creativity and the love is the most important thing what is changed for this course.